Let's check out this new mall called Central Dealers Mall. Well, it's not really new. It was previously known as Caledonia Mall. Like the real Mandeville people know say that it used the name before, but them upgrade our new management. A lot of new stores are on this mall, and the place just look nice. Yes. So let's check out the lower level. The lower level, well, this was previously how it looked before. You can see that they tiled over the place. It's a new tile, and the tile just crisp and nice. It's not this old dated tile anymore. Fresh and brand new. The place just popping. There's a hairdresser on the ground floor. There's clothes store, and there's more clothes store. There's like this lawn place, and there's going to be this lounge, I think like a bar lounge game place downstairs. There's this dentist place as well, and then there's this printer downstairs. So if you're ever on the mall or in the area and need something to be printed, photocopy, something is there on Central Dealers Mall. Now let's check out the upstairs, the ground level. We all know that Singer take over like half of the mall. There's a pharmacy there as well. Yes, right over here is Singer Furniture Appliances Store. There's a little snack bar where you can buy patty and cakes. A bookstore right over here. There's a jewelry store right there. And there's a lab over here. Check for cancer. What's it not? And then what's this? What? Let me look closer. Oh, Quarry. Oh, Dr. Quarry's office. You know, I always wonder where Quarry office was. All right, let's go up to the first level now. All right, optical clear. Analytical. Okay, so this is where COK is. All right, cool. Angie's dressmaking. You have what should I say, like computer repair services there, and then there's like fancy face meat. Oh, so a meat shop there, right? So good, sir. Here, meat shop is right there. There's WorldNet, Central Employment Agency, a thrift shop or closed store right there. So the other stores were kind of closed, so I didn't get to see what they were. Now let's go up to the second level, which you could also call the roof floor. I love this. Oh my gosh, it's open up. You can see outside, and there's a lot of chairs out here, and there's like a restaurant. So, and the restaurant is called what? Rivers, whatever that restaurant is called. But it's a popular restaurant in Mandeville. Then food name good. You can buy food and sit up here and eat. Wow, but what's over here? This is like a church. It's called Deliverance, Faith Deliverance. Me never want no deliverance. Me not no dopey. So, but just quickly past that, and I started to like explore, wondering what's up here. And then it's like, me kind of get a little bit scared. Come in and see nothing, so I just like turn back, get out. I don't want somebody to steal me away. So that is Central Dealers Mall. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. New management or new ownership. All I know, it's popping. It's happening. Welcome back.